I go by the name of the market sniper. Let us run a withdrawal here on Deriv. Let us run a withdrawal here on Deriv. We go to Casia, then when we go to Casia, we go to withdrawal. Click on withdrawal, send email. After sending email, you just need to go to your email address. Let's just go to my email address. Okay, Deriv 1226. Yes, it is me. It is me. If you don't have the PCV strategy, you are in trouble. If you're not trading with Deriv, you are still in trouble. This is the best brokers. I only recommend 2 brokers. There's a new broker that I've shared with you actually, and that is one of the best brokers that we can trade it with for currency pairs. The minimum deposit with that broker, it's also $10. It's also $10. I'll just put in my banking details and all that. Request payout. Done withdrawing. 1.5 USD on a Tuesday. Is Wednesday, on a Wednesday. If you don't have the PCV strategy, consider yourself in trouble. We're here to milk the market. We're here to change our lives. We're here to kill the market. We're here to withdraw. We are within. Let's go. All right, I go by the name of the market sniper. Let me run you through a withdrawal. Let's do a withdrawal. Today we're withdrawing 940 USD via Deriv. I need you to open your account with Deriv. It's one of the best brokers as well that I use to trade synthetics. All right, so we'll have to go to our email and confirm the withdrawal. So I'm using 2 brokers. I'm using Solitix FX. Then I'm also using Deriv as my broker. Verify your withdrawal request. Yes, it is me. If you don't have Deriv, if you don't have the 2 sides of the story, if you don't have the PCV strategy, consider yourself in trouble. If you're not part of this team, consider yourself in trouble. I go by the name of the market sniper. Kill the market for a living. I need you guys to be there at the seminar where I'll be teaching you guys and sharing with you guys the strategy that will actually help you to see the market in a different way. This is how you withdraw when you're using the Deriv. Yes, it's within. The email just came in. If you're not part of this broker, consider yourself in trouble. If you don't have the PCV strategy, consider yourself in trouble. If you're not part of this team, consider yourself in trouble. We are within. Let's go.